Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make the Nora dress for little girls. You will need your fabrics, some buttons, sewing supplies, and the patterns for this style that you can download from our website. Let's start. Place the front and the back bodice pieces together, right sides facing each other. Pin the shoulders. Repeat the same for the lining pieces. Stitch the shoulder seams. Iron the seams open. Place the bodice pieces one over the other with the right sides facing each other. Match the shoulder seams. Attach the pieces at the center back and all along the neckline as shown with a continuous stitch. Trim the seam allowance. Add a small notch at the neckline. Cut out the two corners of the back neck. Turn the piece around to the right side and iron the seam. Moving on to the sleeves, place your bodice piece flat, roll one side over to the other and sandwich it as shown. Match the pieces and stitch the armhole. Trim and turn over the piece. Now repeat the same process for the other armhole. Iron the armholes. Now for the skirt, let's start with the first tier. Let's take our two pieces and run a loose stitch close to the seam. To do this, let's increase the stitch length, pull out some of the thread and stitch. Use the extended threads on either ends to gather up the pieces. Pin the gathered piece to the lining of the front bodice facing upwards. And stitch. Sandwich the seam by folding in the seam allowance of the top bodice and sew it down. For the back, place the right side of the bodice over the left side and give a stitch as shown to hold it in place. Now place the gathered skirt over the back bodice, right sides facing each other, and stitch. Overlock the stitch. Let's attach our second skirt tire the same way. Create gathers. Adjust the ruffle and pin it to the bottom, right sides facing each other. Repeat the same for the back. Stitch these pieces together. Overlock the seams. Let's do the same for the third tier. Gather, pin and stitch. Overlock the seams. Our skirt layers are done. Moving on to the back tie-up pieces. Fold and iron as shown. Stitch all along the length. Place the unfinished end of the waist tie onto the waist seam of the back piece. Hold it in place with a stitch. Pin the front and the back of the dress with the right sides facing each other. Stitch the side seams. Overlock the seams. Double fold and iron the hemline. Stitch all around. Now for the last part, let's create the buttonholes. Attach your buttons. And the dress is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you again very soon. Until then, take care. Bye.